हेलो एंड वेलकम एवरीवन ऑन माय चैनल सिंपल साइंस। आज के वीडियो में हम करने वाले हैं रैशनल नंबर्स का रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑन नंबर। So let's start the video. First question is represent the following rational numbers on the same number line and the numbers are -5/2, -3/2, 3/2 and 5/2. हमें ये सारे रैशनल नंबर्स को नंबर लाइन पर रिप्रेजेंट करना है। तो फर्स्ट स्टेप क्या होना चाहिए? व्हाट शुड बी योर फर्स्ट स्टेप? फर्स्ट स्टेप इज टू ड्रॉ अ नंबर लाइन। अब उस नंबर लाइन पर सेंटर में आप 0 मार्क कीजिए एंड देन द लेफ्ट साइड, जो भी लेफ्ट साइड में वैल्यूज हैं वो नेगेटिव होंगे, तो वो नेगेटिव एक्स एक्सिस है, और जो राइट साइड में वैल्यूज होंगे वो सारे वैल्यूज पॉजिटिव होंगे, तो वो पॉजिटिव एक्स एक्सिस है। Now plot all the numbers. These are the positive numbers 1, 2 and 3 on the right hand side or positive x-axis. उसी तरह से लेफ्ट साइड में नेगेटिव एक्सिस पे नेगेटिव नंबर्स होंगे -1, -2 and -3. Now why I have taken up to 3 only? Why not up to 2 or why not up to 4? There is a reason. Check the last number 5/2 and the first number -5/2, or first number and the last number. What will you get when you divide 5/2? You will get 2.5. That means our last limit is 2.5. So you should take a value greater than that. So 3 is greater than 2.5. So we will take 3 values on positive axis. Similarly, on the negative axis, -5/2. -5/2 will give you -3. So we will take up to -3 on the negative x-axis or negative side. Now what is the next step? Next step is check the denominator. What is in the denominator? 2. So every number is divided by 2. -5 is divided by 2, -3 is divided by 2, 3 is divided by 2 and 5 is divided by 2. So what do we have to do? We have to divide every number in 2 parts. Let's divide. 1 is divided in 2 parts, 2 is divided in 2 parts, 3 is divided in 2 parts. Similarly, -1, 0 to -1 will be divided in 2 parts, -1 to 2. This value is also divided in 2 parts and 3 is also divided in 2 parts. So now second step we have done. We have divided every value in 2 parts. Now what is the third step? Yes, this is 0. This value is 0. 0 out of 2. So we have divided every number or every value in 2 parts. And this is 0th part of 2. And the next value will be 1/2. That means half of 1. 1/2 is nothing but half of 1. This is 2/2. 2/2 means 1. 2 divided by 2 is nothing but 1. So no need to write 2/2. You can just write 1. Next value is 3/2. Then you have 4/2. 4/2 is what? 4 divided by 2 is 2. Then next 5/2. And then next 6/2. Similarly, on the negative x-axis or negative side or left hand side, you will write -1/2, -2/2, -3/2, -4/2, -5/2 and -6/2. So this step is also done. What is the next step then? Now locate your number. Locate your rational number. Where is -5/2 on the number line? Yes, -5/2 is here on the number line. Where can you see -3/2 on the number line? Yes, it is here. Where is 3/2? Correct. And 5/2 is here. But we don't need all the values on the number line. We have to represent only what is asked in the question. That means these 4 values. So all other values are not required. That was just for your understanding. So what do we have to represent only these 4 rational numbers on the number line. Now where is -5/2 on the number line? We have divided every value in 2 parts. Now we need -5/2. Minus means on negative axis and 5 means 5 steps. So let us take 5 steps on negative side. So we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 5 steps on negative side. We have got our first value minus 5 by 2. To get minus 3 by 2, we have to move 3 steps from 0 on negative side. Let us see how we move. Yes, 1, 2, 3. 3 steps on left side or negative side, we get minus 3 by 2. Now the next rational number is 3 by 2, which is positive. So which side we should move? We should move on the right hand side or positive side. How many steps? 3 steps. Yes, let us move 1, 2, 3. 3 steps on positive side, we get 3 by 2. Then what is the next rational number? 5 by 2. So how many steps we have to move? 5 steps. Which side? Right hand side or positive side. Let us move 5 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here is your last rational number. So we have represented all the 4 rational numbers on the number line. Let us take one more question. Represent the following rational numbers on the same number line. Minus 5 by 3, minus 2 by 3, 2 by 3 and 5 by 3. What is in the denominator? Yes, it is 3. So we have to divide every number into how many parts? 3 parts. So first step is draw the number line. Mark 0 at the center or somewhere in the middle of the number line. And then mark the numbers on the number line. But before that, on the left hand side, you have all the negative values. So you write negative or minus x. On the right hand side, you have all the positive values. So you write plus x. Now we have plotted 2 values or we have drawn 2 numbers on the number line. 1 and 2. On which side? On positive side or right hand side of 0. Similarly, draw minus 1 and minus 2 on the left hand side or on the negative side. Why have we taken only 2 and minus 2? 2 on right side and minus 2 on left side. Why not up to 3 or up to 4? So here also you have to check the first and the last number. First number is minus 5 by 3, last number is 5 by 3. When you divide 5 by 3, you will get 1.66. And 1.66 lies between 1 and 2. Similarly, minus 5 divided by 3 will give you minus 1.66. So your last value should be minus 2. Your minus 1.66 lies between minus 1 and minus 2. So you should take up to minus 2 on negative side. Now what do we have to do? We have to divide each number in 3 parts. Let us divide 1 in 3 parts. 1 is divided in 3 parts. 2 is also divided in 3 parts. Let us divide minus 1 in 3 parts. So we have divided minus 1 also in 3 parts. Similarly, we will divide minus 2 also in 3 parts. So we have done our division, each value in 3 parts. Now we will plot the fractions. Since these are all the integers, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2, they are integers. But we need fraction. We need rational numbers on the number line. So we will plot the rational numbers. This 0 is a 0th part of 3. Out of 3, it is 0. Then you get 1 out of 3. Then you get 2 out of 3. Then you get 3 out of 3. 3 out of 3 or 3 by 3 is nothing but 1. And then the next value is 4 by 3. Next value is 5 by 3 and then 6 by 3. 6 by 3 is nothing but 2. Similarly, you will get all the other fractions. Fraction means a part. Okay. So now this part is minus 1 out of 3. Next is minus 2 out of 3. Minus 3 out of 3. Minus 4 out of 3. Minus 5 out of 3 and minus 6 out of 3. Minus 6 by 3 is nothing but minus 2. Minus 3 by 3 is nothing but minus 1. Okay. So we have got all the rational numbers or all the fractions on the number line, but we need only 4 fractions on the four rational numbers on the number line. What are the four rational numbers? Minus 5 by 3. Where is it? Yes, you have located it right. It is here, minus 5 by 3. Next, minus 2 by 3 is here. 2 by 3 is positive, which will be on the right side of the 0, is here. And then 5 by 3 is, yes, correct, here. To get these values, to get 2 by 3, you will move 2 steps on right hand side from 0. To get 5 by 3, you will move 5 steps on right side from 0. Similarly, to get minus 2 by 3, you will move 2 steps on left hand side or negative side from 0. And to get minus 5 by 3, you will move 5 steps on negative side from 0. We need only 4 values on the number line. All the other values we don't need. It is not asked in the question. So what should you do now? We will plot only these 4 numbers on the number line. So where is minus 5 by 3? We have divided all the numbers in 3 parts. Minus 5, minus means on minus axis or negative axis. 5 means 5 steps from 0. So let us move 5 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 steps from 0. So you will get minus 5 by 3. Now where is minus 2 by 3? So minus means on negative side. 2 means 2 steps. From where? From 0. So from 0, 1, 2. 2 steps on negative side. Now next number is 2 by 3. It is positive. So we will move on right side. How many steps? 2 steps from 0. 1, 2. Here is your 2 by 3. Next value is 5 by 3. Positive, so right hand side. And how many steps? 5 steps. From where? From 0. So from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps. You will get 5 by 3. So we have represented all the 4 numbers on the number line. Homework time. Now take down a question and do it as your homework. The question is, represent the following rational numbers on the same number line. And the numbers are minus 9 by 4, minus 6 by 4, minus 3 by 4, 1 by 4, 5 by 4 and 9 by 4. So in this question you have to divide each value in 4 parts because we have 4 in the denominator. Follow the steps, check the video again, play the video again, follow the steps and try to do it yourself. If you find any difficulty, please message me in the comment box. I will definitely make another video. In my next video, I will explain you this. I will make one more video on the comparison of rational numbers. So wait till then and please like, share and subscribe my channel Simple Science. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay healthy. And now take down the answer of this question. But before checking the answer, pause your video on the question part and try to solve it yourself. Thank you. Take care.